In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two fields in Tableau using either the Create option or a calculated field. This process will help you merge data efficiently and is ideal for scenarios where you want to bring multiple pieces of information together in a cohesive manner. Let's dive in and make sure you understand each step clearly, so you can apply this knowledge to your own Tableau projects with confidence. First things first. Let's begin by launching Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Opening the software is your gateway to a world of data visualization possibilities. If you haven't already, this would also be an excellent time to update your Tableau to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the latest features and enhancements. Now that you have Tableau up and running, it's time to connect a data source. This is a crucial step, as you'll need to import the data you want to work with. Whether you're using an Excel spreadsheet, a SQL database, or another data format, Tableau makes it straightforward to establish this connection. Just follow the intuitive prompts and make sure that your data is correctly imported. Take a moment to review your data within the interface, ensuring all necessary fields are present, as these will be the building blocks for our next steps. With your data loaded, let's turn our attention to the data pane. Here, you'll need to identify and select the two fields you wish to combine. To do this, click on the first field you're interested in, then hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, and click on the second field. This action allows you to highlight both fields simultaneously and tells Tableau that these are the elements you want to work with. Once you've selected your fields, right-click on your selection. A context menu will appear. In this menu, navigate to the Create option, and from there, you'll see another option for Combined Field. Click on it to proceed. This command essentially instructs Tableau to glue these fields together using an internal function specifically designed for this purpose. What happens next is quite straightforward. Tableau automatically generates a new field which you'll see appearing in the data pane. This new field represents the combination of the two original fields' values, often separated by a comma for clarity. As an example, if you're combining fields labeled category and subcategory, you might end up with something like furniture bookcases appearing as your combined output. And there you have it. You've successfully combined two fields in Tableau. This is an excellent skill to have, particularly when you want to simplify your datasets or create more meaningful visual representations. Don't forget to explore further and experiment with other combinations to see how they can refine your data storytelling. Thank you for watching, and happy data visualizing.